looks like I was doing Squid Games.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Get back over there.
Who is there?
Wait, they shouldn't be even farther.
You
guys shouldn't be this far. You guys shouldn't be this far.
They should. They should be even farther.
You guys shouldn't be this far.
Okay, guys.
Are we starting up the hill?
Okay.
There at the wall.
Okay. So you actually start there at the wall.
Green light.
I'm gonna be
red light.
sitting right here.
A 2.
Okay.
Green light. Stop looking at me.
Red light.
Wait, he has a grappler though. He has grapplers though.
Wait, I never knew. Wait, I never knew. I'll throw them away. Don't worry. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. I didn't know. I just got. Stay still. Sorry. Green light. Go to the red light.
Oh. Wait, did he move? Did you move? I'm sorry, bro. We're sorry. We're so sorry. So one of them have been eliminated now. You're almost there, bro.
Alright, he got killed.
Look at that.
Almost there. You gotta win, homie.
Green light. Red light. You should do him dirty.
Wait, how did green go in front of me, bro?
I don't know. I think he's just faster than you, buddy.
Red. We did say it. So she was set up there. Oh my god. So you're going to make your way back up. Green light. Red light. Hit him with another red light.
Wait.
Oh, my neck hurts so much. My neck hurts so much.
I saw you.
Right, Pete. Pete, what are you doing?
Oh, you little boy, bro.
So green didn't move, but Pete did.
Kick him. Oh, sorry.
I already won.
Yo, kick him.
Yo, kick green.
It won't let me respawn.
Okay, so, did he move? He didn't move.
Pink was literally running for his life.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Green. I'm really sorry, Green.
Green light. I did not
mean
to do that. Bro, it seems like you're only gonna be the winner, bro.
You got this. You got
No,
We're 2 winners. Come on.
That was it.
Come on, Green.
That was it.
Come on, Green. Wait, no. So
the 2 rooms are gonna be the couches.
The couches, and then the bench tables. Okay, so
How much? Okay.
you have to be standing on them. I'll announce
He'll
when.
tell you how many players are gonna be on each.
Wait,
Alright.
supposed to go around. All right, it starts. Go back.
Guys,
Go back there.
taking the knowledge.
Wait, all right. Are we supposed to go around them?
No, you're supposed to go around in a circle, not around those. Just go around in a circle.
Okay. Two people. Over here, You know that these things are ones too. These things are rooms too. These things are rooms here.
You guys can literally go here.
You guys can literally go in here, bro. Okay, so now actually you start. Okay. Okay. Round 2. Come to the carousel. Come to the carousel now. Come to the carousel.
Bro, y'all tell him to go back.
Okay, but I'm gonna kick you. Go back, you play. I'm gonna shoot you if you do not go back. I'm gonna kick you. All right. 3. Okay, I got lucky. Okay, come back to the carousel.
Some people are about to die. Next round should be shorter.
I know. I will.
It's gonna be.
Come to the carousel now, y'all lived. Okay, jump in.
Come on.
for real.
That was you.
Yeah, you guys.
No,
bro,
it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It
Or
was
all y'all will die.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Or y'all both will die.
Wait, I got here first. What?
Who got for first?
I did not get here first.
Oh,
We didn't do rock, paper, scissors, bro. We didn't do
I
rock, paper,
said
scissors.
that.
I know. Yes, I did. We got to rock, paper,
Come on, y'all. Just do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Just let the
Oh
blue.
no!
Just let the
Bro,
blue
come back up here. You're about to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot with the blue one.
Oh, never mind. He left.
Damn,
So,
you just kicked both of them.
They bought. So you know.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Bro, you're an
Okay.
evil
Come back to
man.
the carousel.
Evil man.
Come back to. Shut up. Let's go.
All y'all live through the second game. No! Should be hide and seek. So half of y'all will be seekers. So y'all are forced to kill each other.
Yep.
In the line right here. Get on the line of the couch. Get on the line of the couch.
I don't want to be it. Okay, then don't be it.
Okay.
I want to be nice.
Curve, why don't you pick?
I don't want to be it. Don't pick me.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're a seeker. Seeker?
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Good. Do I have to get my gun?
Wait. I think if he's a seeker, I think he should be sitting in this couch. If you're a seeker, sitting on that couch.
Okay,
What am I?
They should get like a knife.
You're a seeker.
Like a sword.
Alright, y'all will be forced to kill.
Hiders.
Okay, now y'all are hiders. So
Wait,
Yo,
get him something.
You want me
Close
seeker?
your eyes in real life.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Wait, what? Sorry, I was calling somebody. Yeah, what?
Oh, okay.
No, I'm gonna go do something.
Alright, so y'all can either find the escape room.
Wait, what did I get?
What's the escape room?
Escape room. Where's the escape room?
I mean, no. You got hider.
Seeker.
You got hider.
You're hiding.
You got hider.
You a hider.
Your keys and then.
So, I'll stand by the exit. I'll stand by the exit. Guards, I'll tell you when to release them. Okay, I'll tell you when to release them. Okay. Look over there. Look over there. Look over there.
Tell the seekers where the exit.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. The seekers have been unleashed.
You want to have a lunch break with me?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
What are you doing? I'm gonna go stand by the exit, yo.
Oh,
Yeah, don't follow me.
I thought you knew where he was.
I did. Okay, so hiders can either hide or find the exit. Alright, guys. Hider. Hider!
Yeah.
Hider. Wait, no, you live. Okay. So, the exit was over there. The last hider has won, alright?
Teleport gun. God! I need a teleport gun.
Yeah,
Well,
last
give him a
hider-
teleport gun. This stack. We need a teleport gun. This stack.
Y'all are going to have a fight in the Squid Game.
You guys are gonna have to
Last
do the
man
Squid Game, you know,
standing
of that fight.
wins the
Squid
massive
Game.
giveaway.
Red, I might have to go.
I was gonna do it after.
So come to the docks where the
I might have to leave
Okay.
because the fireworks.
I have to go.
Okay. All right, guys. The game starts. 3, 2, 1.
He's up there, bro. He's up there. He's up there.
I can't see him. I'm kind of blind.
He's right there, bro. Behind you!
I know he's behind me, bro. I saw him.
What is going on, guys?
Come on, fight, yo, fight.
Hurry this up!
He just
Hurry this up!
I think he might be pretty low. No, you can go to him. He's pretty low. Go to him.
He's pretty low, bro. You just literally, he just tackled you. What are you?
Go to him. He's pretty low.
Damn it. No.
Go as fast as you.
Bro, you're going. Bro, where is he? Where's Green?
He's in the water.
There. Fight! Just fight already! Stop being a little baby!
Yo. Dude, are you gonna fall? You're gonna fall into the oil when you're dying.
Bro, right there! Shoot!
He didn't win though. There's no winner again, so we on top.
Go to the island, bro.
Go get him. Yo, dude, you're coming back. You should go to him.
I'm at 1 HP though. I'm at 1 HP though.
Oh, Green, he's over. Oh my, he died to water.
Revive him. He's gonna be at low health even if I do revive him.
Fine, yeah, fine.
Okay.
Keep giving people second chances.
Ow!
Okay, I guess Green is the winner. Green is now the winner of the company game.
Get this cash out!
I can't save me.
Alright.